Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make Chinese scallion pancakes.
My mom is from Taiwan, and I have such fond memories of eating these with her growing up. We hope you like this video.
What I love about this recipe is that there are relatively few ingredients, and the ingredients are usually readily available in your kitchen. To start, we're going to make the dough. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of salt. With the paddle attachment, mix on low-medium speed for 1 minute to combine the dry ingredients. While continuing to mix on low-medium speed, slowly drizzle in 3/4 cup of boiling water. When all the flour is moistened, stop the mixer. Switch to a dough hook attachment and mix on level 2 speed for 3 minutes or until a firm ball is formed. It should look something like this. Divide this dough into 4 equal pieces. Form them into balls with your palms and cover with plastic wrap to prevent them from drying out. We're going to let these rest at room temperature for 30 minutes to let the gluten structures relax a bit, which will make it easier to roll them out into thin layers.
While letting the dough balls rest, we're going to work on the pancake filling. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup coconut oil, which you can substitute with olive oil or vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. Mix these together until it looks like a smooth paste. Take 4 to 5 stalks of scallions. Slice them lengthwise first, then slice them into very thin half-moon pieces. We'll need 1½ cups of chopped scallions for the filling. Set these chopped scallions aside. Next, we're going to make the dipping sauce. Take a small bowl, add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of water, and half a teaspoon sugar. Mix these together till the sugar has dissolved. Set this aside for now.
After the dough has rested for 30 minutes, you're ready to form the scallion pancakes. Brush a layer of vegetable oil on a clean, flat surface. Then rub a thin layer of vegetable oil on your rolling pin. Working with 1 ball of dough at a time, keeping the remaining under plastic wrap to prevent them from drying out, roll your dough out into a thin rectangle that's about 6 inches by 10 inches. Brush about 1/4 of the prepared filling mixture over the dough, leaving about 1 inch from the left edge, or the 6-inch side, and 1 inch from the top edge, or the 10-inch side, without filling, so that the dough can easily stick to itself and seal after rolling. Sprinkle 1/4 of the chopped scallions, about 1/3 cup, over the filling mixture, again avoiding the left edge and the top edge, so the dough can be sealed after rolling. From the bottom edge of the longer 10-inch side of the dough, tightly roll the dough into a cylinder, trying to avoid creating any pockets of air. The top edge with no filling should make it easy to seal the tube once the dough is rolled. Use your hands to slightly elongate the tube by rolling it back and forth while stretching it. Gently flatten the tube with your hands, pushing out any pockets of air, and pinch the ends of the tube to seal them. Then, starting from the side of the tube that has filling, roll the tube into itself, forming a coil, ending with the side of the tube with no filling. Tuck this no-filling end under the coiled dough and set the coil back under plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out. Repeat these steps with the remaining 3 pieces of dough and remaining filling mixture and chopped scallions. Once you have all 4 pieces of rolled up and coiled dough under the plastic wrap, let them rest at room temperature for 30 minutes to let the gluten structures relax before the final shaping. After the formed coils have rested for 30 minutes, again brush oil on your counter and rolling pin to prevent the dough from sticking. Use your hands or rolling pin as needed to flatten out each pancake into 8-inch circles. I actually find it better to only use my hands since you have more control and can minimize tears in the dough. That said, it's okay if the dough tears in some places and the filling comes out a bit. Once the circle is about 8 inches, carefully peel it off the counter and transfer it to a parchment paper lined sheet pan. Again, keep the rolled out pancakes under plastic wrap to prevent them from drying out. Clean up any stray scallions that spilled out, re-oil the counter and rolling pin, and repeat with all 4 pancakes. We suggest keeping parchment paper between the pancakes to prevent them from sticking to each other. Cover the pancakes with plastic wrap until ready to fry. To note, you can freeze the pancakes at this point, separated by parchment paper in a Ziploc bag, and fry them from frozen as needed.
To fry the pancakes, take a large 12-inch non-stick skillet and heat it over high heat. Add in half a tablespoon of vegetable oil and use a pastry brush to spread it out evenly over the surface of the pan. The pan is hot enough when the oil is shimmering. When you see that the oil is shimmering, turn down the heat to medium and place 1 pancake in the middle. Cover with a lid and cook for 2 minutes. Lift the lid, flip the pancake over, recover with the lid, and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Transfer the pancakes to a metal wrap to cool before serving to prevent them from becoming soggy from condensation. Repeat these steps with all 4 pancakes. Add half a tablespoon of vegetable oil to the pan before cooking each pancake, making sure to let the oil get hot enough. It should be shimmering before adding each pancake. And there it is, Chinese Scallion Pancakes. Serve them warm with the prepared dipping sauce. Ansara. Yum.
So good. I love the combination of crispy and chewy textures.
And the Chinese 5-spice powder complements the scallion flavors so well.
Are you having a ratatouille moment right now?
Oh, but far. This was my favorite thing to eat on the weekends growing up.
Aww. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make these Chinese scallion pancakes. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and so much more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!